Okay, still on the perspective drawing, grade 11. Perspective drawing, grade 11. So like we said before that our aim is to what? Is to draw all of them. Is to upload all of them. You understand? So that is our aim, to upload everything. So let's look at what we have here. This is task 4. Task 4, use the information given on the worksheet and make a neat 2-point perspective drawing of this model. So this is task 4. So this must take you less than 20 minutes in the examination or in the test or in the class activity. So it must take you about less than 20 minutes, you understand, to draw this. So we are given the front view. They've even told you that this is the front view. This is the top view. This is the picture plane. This is the horizontal line. So this is the ground level or ground line. So the very first thing that you are going to do, study those views to say especially the top view, which angles are these ones. You understand? Is it the 30 and the 60? You understand? So you must firstly align your drawing sheet, isn't it? So it shows that this is not 60, whether clockwise or anti. It's not. You understand? So again, it's not 30, whether clockwise or anti. So which means you throw away this one, isn't it? So this is the set square that we are going to use on this one. So which means if this is 40, again this one's supposed to be 40, so that both they give us what? 90 degrees. So we are going to have a line from stationary point till picture plane. You know almost the procedure. Once it touches there, it goes down to what? To your HL, so that is giving you vanishing point of your left hand side. You understand? So you have that line again, this side. Once it touch your picture plane, becomes vertical down, so that is giving you vanishing point of your right hand side. You understand? Yes. So I'll decide to say this is 0.1, this is 2, this is 3. You understand? So this one is CV, stand for center vision point. Okay, so now by our ground level, ground line, the 0.1 is right there. You understand? So you are going to take 0.1 to vanishing point of your left, vanishing point of your right, using a 30mm ruler. Like this we go, and like this we go, and we are drawing them faint, isn't it? Not dark, like this. And if I come to your drawing, I put this T-square. Where these lines are cutting each other, they must be in the what? In the very same straight line. Do you see? Why? Because why are they where they are crossing each other? Where they are crossing each other, you understand? Why? Because of these both angles, they were the same. It's 45 and 45. But if it's 30 and 60, it won't collide in this, say, horizontal straight line like that. Okay, so now let's take we are going to start with the what? With the base. This one. Let's start with the base. Take a point 2, like this. Once it touch picture plane, becomes vertical down, like this you go. So which means my point 2 is right there. I can have it solid. Simple, eh? So take point 3, stationary point. Then from there, horizontally down, there is your what? Is your point 3. Have it solid. You understand? So from here till there, because there by our front view, point 1 is good as if it's there, then the point 2 is there. then the 3 is there, then the 4 is there, because the 4 it will be somewhere there, you understand? So now from here going up, we are going to take it like this, then from there goes to your vanishing point, both vanishing points of your left hand side, vanishing point of your right hand side. Like this you go. So which means now from here till here is solid without fear or favor, and from here till here solid, from here till there solid, and from here till the solid, solid. So now we are going to take this one, vanishing point of your right hand side, this one, vanishing point of your left hand side, even the bottom one, even though they are not going to give you anything yet. There you go, because they didn't say expose the what, the hidden details, you understand? There you go. Okay, so now we are not going to draw them dark yet, these ones. So let's come to say, what shape is this one? This is the hexagon, isn't it? Hex, which means 6 corners, isn't it? So let's come to say this is A, B, C, D, E, and F, capital letters. So why are we doing that? So that we get we know the points that we are dealing with, you understand? So now let's do this. Let's behave as if this is the center line of it. So take this point, this one, take it down to stationary point. There it goes. We must get this point somewhere here, isn't it? From there it goes vertically down, then there it is, you understand? Then so there it is, isn't it? So take it to please take be very careful, because this might be confusing, you understand? So take it to vanishing point of your left hand side is this one, isn't it? And then from there go back to your what, to your top view. Take the very same point like this now. Once it touch there, take it to your stationary point. Once it touch picture plane, it becomes vertically down. We must get it somewhere there. There it is. So take it to what, to vanishing point of your left hand side, where it's collide with what, with this one. That's your point A. Hey one, that's your point A. So let's get point B. So the very same way we got point A, we are going to get point B, and we know what point B is in the what, it's in the same line with point C. So that's how it goes. Just extend it, this line, a little bit, then from there you take this to stationary point. There it goes. Once it touches the picture plane, becomes vertically down. We are going to get it somewhere there, isn't it? There it goes. So there it is. So you take this point to what? The vanishing point of your right hand side. There it is. Then we are going to get point B along this line, isn't it? How are we going to make it a point? What is it, here or there? We are going to take this point till somewhere here. How? Like this. There is the point, and we even know what point B is in the same line with F. Point B is in the same line with what? With C. You understand? So take it to stationary point. There it goes. Picture plane becomes vertically down. There it is. So once it gets here, so you take it to what? Vanishing point of your right hand side. So guys, if I'm too fast for you, you can pause the video and scroll it back. If I'm too slow again, you can fast forward it. You understand? So now where they are bisecting with this one and this one, it's our what? It's our point B. So which means we can join this one with this like this now. There you go. So this method that we are using is absolutely accurate and reliable. You understand? So now along this line, we know what we are going to get point C. Why are we not taking point C straight to what? To stationary point? Why? Because this hexagon is in the middle of nowhere within the box, this box or this base that we started with. So that is why we firstly project the lines to the outer line of the base. You understand? So assuming we're just drawing it ordinary, we're just going to take this point straight toward to our stationary point. But now, because we are drawing it, it's supposed to be in the center. So that is why in the center of what? Of this base 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is why we firstly consider the what? The base first. You understand? So it is very much important to take note of that. Don't just take lines to down to your what? To your stationary point. So consider the base first. So now you take this line to stationary point. Like this you go. Once it touch there, you know the protocol, the procedure, isn't it? Goes down. So from there, I'll take it to what? To vanishing point of my left hand side. There it goes. So which means from here till there, it's my point C now, this one. So I can have it dark. You understand? Have it dark. Okay, so let us get what? Point F. And point F is in the same line with what? With point B, isn't it? So it will be, we will be getting point F somewhere there, somewhere there. So how are we going to get that? So there it is. You take it to what? There you go. Is this one. Then from there, go down. You understand? Then from here is this one, isn't it? So take this one, like the way we did with B and C, isn't it? So it's the same way we are going to do it with the F and E. There you go. So you take this point to stationary point. Simple, eh? There you go. From there, we are going to get it somewhere there. Then from here, we take it to what? To vanishing point of our right hand side. There it goes. So from here goes to vanishing point of our right hand side. So it's giving us, because there it is, isn't it? There it is, point F. So which means from here till there. You understand? So but now, since there is a height going up, we are not going to draw this line dark yet. Just mark point F. We are not going to draw this one. Let's consider the height first. You understand? So the height, there it goes. From here goes to vanishing point of your left hand side and vanishing point of your right hand side. Like this it goes. And like that it goes. So which means from here till there, I can draw this one solid. From here till right there. So if you are now correlating what? This line. If you are now correlating the upper ones, that's where you can take this point straight to what? To your stationary point. These ones, this A, B, C, up to F. That's where you can take them straight to what? To. But if you are still dealing with the below ones, which are these ones, not the upper one, that's where you have to consider what? The base, because they are lying in what? In the base most. These ones. If it was still, I would have said they are welded there. You understand? So, but now that's where if we are now up there, you can use that method of just taking them straight to what? To stationary points. Once they touch picture plane, become vertically down. You understand? But at the end of the day, you are going to get the very one and the very same thing. So now I'm going to move from here till somewhere there, vertically up. Why this T-square of mine? It's like it's not. Why? It's like it's not straight here. It's now very old. You guys must donate for me and buy a new drawing instrument. Okay, from here till there. You understand? So again, from there till we are going to take this point to what? To vanishing point. Solid from here till there. So that you take this one, solid A, till there. You understand? So remember that this is point B on the upper one, isn't it? So now take this one so that we get what? The point F. So of course these lines, they won't be in the same line, since B back to A is not in the same line as B to F. So that is why the moment you take this F like this, I mean this B to our vanishing point of our left hand side, it's giving you something like this, of which is good. It makes sense. You understand? It makes sense. So let's now have this one dark from here till there. You understand? Then from there it's gonna go up till right there, because then from here till there, there is your point F on the below part, and then there is your point F on the upper part, which is this one and that one. You understand? So now take this point to vanishing point of your right hand side. This is interesting. This drawing is very interesting. So again, you can take this one, which is point C, isn't it? And the C is in the same line with E, isn't it? And E, while E is in the same line with F, so which means we are going to get point E somewhere there by taking point C to our vanishing point of our left hand side, is giving us point C. There you go. Without fear or favor, we will know what there is a point E. and have this one solid. Right, now take this point A to vanishing point of your right hand side. It's gonna give you point what? Point F. D, sorry, not F, because this is D, isn't it? It's going to give you point D. So how? Like this. You understand? So we are going to get point D somewhere there. Somewhere there. How? Like this. There you go. From there you go. So there is our point D. So which means now we are going to do like this. And like this. So which means I can say this is D, this is E, this is F on the upper part. You understand? This is A, B, C, D, E, F, 6. You understand? So now come and complete it from here till there, solid. Solid here. Then from now till there, solid. Yes. So are we done? Oh, there is something that is happening here. Check the base. I was too forward to solve what was challenging, because the base was actually straightforward. So there is a what? Hidden line. So let us expose this hidden line. Take it like this. From here goes to vanishing point of your left hand side. This is the front view, eh? Like this it goes. And like this goes. Okay, now we are going to take this point and this one. There it goes. From there it goes vertically down. So solid till here. Which means from here till somewhere there, we were not supposed to draw it dark. We're too fast, eh? So you must take such kind of silly mistakes. Then from there goes vertical down. Then from here till there, solid. You understand? So which means from here till there, erase it. Yes, so that now from here till here is dark. Dark. You understand? So you must try by all means to avoid using an eraser in this topic. So now take this point to vanishing point of your right hand side to expose these hidden details. You understand? Like this part is going to be dark from here to there. So that was it. This is grade 11. Thank you very much guys for watching. That was grade 11 perspective, task 4 grade 11 perspective. See you on the next video. Please, let's support each other. Subscribe on the channel. If there are those advert along the video, along you're watching, don't skip them guys. Just ignore them. You understand? At the end of the day, that's where maybe we are getting something to buy more data to upload videos for you guys. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Mr. Nkosi for you. See you on the next video. Okay.